Come on, Mohit. I am not feeling it.
But why, sir?
The designs seem fantastic.
Yes, but I'm not talking about the aesthetics. It's modern, and the color palettes are also looking great. But still, hey Mukta, what's going on?
Oh, what do you mean by that? And aren't you coming for the visit this evening?
Where? Where are we going?
Where else?
Oh, yes. To check out the interior, right? Yes, I'm coming. I'll be there. Oh no, it's already 2 o'clock. I'm on my way. I'll be there.
Yes, come on, I'll be waiting.
Oh, hello, Mukta.
Hello, ma'am. Did I keep you waiting?
Not at all. Please come in.
Come on.
Come in.
Ma'am, these are my friends. And they are also architects.
Oh,
This is Manish and this is Shubhankar.
hello.
Hello.
And this is Deepa, ma'am. This is her house, by the way.
Nice interior.
Yes, thank you.
Really, it's amazing.
All credit goes to Mukta.
But you gave me the creative freedom so I could pull this off.
All right, I have a call. So, you know Suvarna, right? So, Suvarna will guide you further. You can show them around.
Okay, ma'am.
Shall I leave then?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Come on. I will show you around the house now.
Mukta, wow. Amazing. Congratulations. The interior is really impressive.
It's just marvelous. Too good. Totally gives off a royal feel.
Thank you. But you guys are being a bit too formal.
No, really. You have done an amazing job. It looks traditional, yet still modern.
Correct.
Oh, please, you two are just as creative. Did you see the Inamdar mansion designed by Manish?
Of course I did. A class apart.
Not at all. I mean, it's good, but it's not perfect. I think I'm not really satisfied with the work. Something feels missing.
What do you mean?
Hey,
What did you just do?
Huh? What did I do? You are feeling hot, so I turned on the fan.
yes, right. But where is the switch?
Exactly.
It's right here.
Come on. It's just a wooden ply, right? Oh, or is it a switch? Oh,
Wow.
So, guys, that's the highlight of my project.
What do you mean?
I was really on edge because of the idea of adding those boring switches in a traditionally designed house.
Oh, okay. So looks like the client had a foreign trip just for the sake of the switches.
No foreign trip. I just did some research and went around in Pune.
what?
In Pune?
Yes. I'll explain everything, but first take a seat. Come on. So, this is a Pune-based brand, Touchmatic Smart Switches, from Kitronics Company.
Touchmatic? I have heard about this brand.
Correct. We came across this brand in the Mumbai exhibition last year. Remember?
Yes, Touchmatic.
Yes, you are right. I found their contact number on Google. I checked out their website and contacted them, and then their sales team responded right away. After that, I gave them an overview of my entire project. So they sent me over to their experience center. And when I got there and saw everything, I was totally blown away.
What do you mean?
Just imagine, with a single slim switchboard, you can control the lighting of the entire room. All your tube lights, AC, and fan can be controlled from a single switchboard.
But usually electricians don't deal with this kind of complicated work.
It's not at all complicated. This is easy and any electrician can set it up without a hitch. It's easy to fit.
Okay.
And what if there is any problem later?
Then what? It's handled right away. And anyway, there is a 2-year warranty.
Whoa.
But they must be handling repairs only in Pune, right? What about clients from other cities?
Remote clients also get the same level of support. I mean, they have tie-ups all over.
Then it's all good.
Oh, but it seems perfect for a new interior. I mean, it's the best choice. But what do we do about the old or existing switches while renovating?
Exactly.
That's exactly what I was wondering too. So then I asked them, and they gave me a demo session.
Then,
They told me that there's no need to change the old wiring. So you can just remove the old switchboard and install the new one.
But to replace one, you'll have to change all the switches in the house.
Not at all. Even if you don't want to change the mechanical switchboard in a room, it's totally fine. That means Touchmatic smart switches can be easily installed wherever we want.
but Mukta, don't you think if the LEDs on this switchboard stay on all the time, it could cause a lot of issues? They can really strain the eyes.
But without them, you wouldn't even realize they're switches.
True, but in the bedroom I have installed switches where the lights on them turn off. And you know what? You can also dim these lights.
Oh. Shubhankar,
Yes?
look at the switchboard. It's so sleek.
Yes. It really looks just like a showpiece.
Yes, and there's no maintenance required. It's super easy to clean.
Wow. Amazing. Truly amazing. Oh, hey.
Yes,
How did you manage to do that? I mean, on a wooden structure.
not just wood, but glass, marble, fabric. You can design on anything you want. Touchmatic smart switches can be made in any material you choose. They blend in perfectly, and no one even realizes that they're switches.
This is really a game changer. You know what? Until now, no matter what material we used, we would still had to use those boring traditional switches.
Yes, and when we tried to hide them somewhere, they would just end up congesting the space.
But now, there is no limit for creativity.
And the best part? It's 100% satisfaction in terms of creativity.
Touchmatic switches. This is impressive.
Not just switches, but Touchmatic smart switches. It's also perfect for the senior citizens at home because you can control it with a remote and it doesn't even need batteries. There's this app. I can control everything from it. Want to see how it works? Wait, let me show you by turning the fan on.
Wow.
Amazing,
Wow.
right? So that means you can easily control both your home and office appliances from a single app. And you can also check your electricity consumption. These switches also support home automation. Google Dot, Siri, Alexa, they support all of these. And those boring mechanical switches we have, they turn them into smart ones.
So in short, what does Touchmatic mean? Perfect, smart switches.
Yes.
Fabulous. This is absolutely fabulous. Wow. What a fine Mukta.
Thank you.
So, what do you think? Shall we visit the experience center tomorrow?
Yes, we have to. Now I am understanding what exactly has been missing in my project.
Magic touch?
Yes, magic touch.
Not just Magic Touch, but Touchmatic smart switches Magic Touch.
Oh,
Yes.